In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Assistive Access, also known as Senior Mode, on an iPhone running iOS 17. This streamlined interface uses larger icons and limits access to only the apps you choose, making the iPhone easier and safer for someone who prefers a simpler experience. First, make sure the iPhone is on iOS 17. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Keeping the phone timed ensures Assistive Access works as intended. When that's done, head back to Settings, tap Accessibility, and scroll down to Assistive Access. Tap it to begin. You'll see a prompt to continue and choose an Apple ID. You can use your own, but it's best to use a dedicated Apple ID for the person who will use the phone, so messages, photos, and purchases stay organized for them. Next, choose how the apps will appear. You can pick Rows for a simple list or Grid for a traditional home screen with big icons. Grid is the default and is often easiest to recognize at a glance, while Rows can be helpful for anyone who prefers reading names over icons. Now select which apps you want available. Start with the essentials, then add more later if needed. For calls, choose whether the user can receive calls from everyone or only contacts, and decide if you want a dialer pad visible. You can also set speakerphone or the keyboard to turn on by default for convenience. In Camera, decide whether to allow selfies or video recording to keep things focused on the features that matter. In Messages, choose who can message the user, such as everyone or only selected contacts, which can reduce noise and distractions. You can also include third-party apps like social media, but each app will ask for permissions, such as camera or location. Approve only what's necessary to keep the experience simple and secure. Before finishing, set a unique Assistive Access passcode. This code is separate from the iPhone's lock screen and is required to exit Assistive Access, preventing accidental changes. You can also set up a recovery option using an Apple ID password, which helps if the Assistive Access passcode is forgotten. Take a moment to review Emergency Access. A triple click of the side button still provides emergency services, even in this mode. When you're ready, tap Start Assistive Access and enter the passcode. The phone will switch to the simplified interface with only the apps you selected.
To exit, triple-click the side button. Choose Exit Assistive Access and enter the passcode. To turn it back on later, return to Settings, Accessibility, Assistive Access, and tap Start.